Now moving to more ceremonies, and we've seen some cracking swims tonight. We have seen some of the favourites coming through, living up to their billing. We've seen some of the youngsters come through and challenge the old guard, but normal service has been resumed in this one. Andre Brazil.
Well, there's Jane Blaine waving to the crowd.
Representing Canada, Benoit.
Yeah, well, Benoit HUOT, fantastic ambassador for Canadian swimming. Good result from him to pick up the bronze.
His first World Championships were back in New Zealand in 1998. 6 World Championships, 12 medals in them all. I make that 26 World Championship medals in all for Benoit.
Olivier van der Voort.
Well, this young man, Olivier van der Voort, hasn't been a fantastic day for him. Went slower in the final than he had done in the heat. His heat time in the end wouldn't have been quick enough to win it, but lots for him to go away from these championships and think about. Has youth on his side.
The winner of the gold medal
It's
and world champion.
a curious little sort of jig there.
A little shimmy.
Andre Brazil.
But this man, well, we didn't really think that he was going to be good enough for the gold medal. He was fantastic in the 50 metres freestyle. He's obviously in form at these championships. And it was a pretty flawless 100 metres backstroke, wasn't it, Paul?
It was indeed the first time that he has been under the 1 minute mark. He has competed in the World Championship since 2006. It's his 4th World Championship. 59.95. Andre Brazil takes the gold medal.
My sister-in-law is from Sao Paulo, and she always says that the Brazilian national anthem is famous for being incredibly hard to sing, and you can see there from their team just how hard they had to work just to keep up with the words. But 10 out of 10 for effort.
Andre Brazil didn't even bother. He just let his teammates take all the stress.